What is up, everyone? In today's video, we were doing a truck meet. We're gonna go ahead and go get loaded up. There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and head down there at the aquatic store. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. I guess we're going straight here. I guess we're not turning. Oh boy. Pitch black with it. In first person. Got to get that fixed. Go a little bit faster down these back roads.
Oh my god.
Oh, pull right up here. I'm probably gonna stop and get some lights as well on the way. Maybe a campfire. Oh boy, we're on 108. Hopefully there's no police. Hit the brakes. Forgot we'll go a little bit faster down the hill. Oh no, that's a tree. That's fine, we served around it. Gotta get on someplace out of the road. And you know what? We should be fine up at this door for that. All the headlights from people. Oh, that's not good. My truck's hanging off the back of the trailer. Or definitely shop and get things fixed here in a minute. Oh, make sure y'all join the Discord. It'll be a pin. I'll pin it in the comments so y'all can join and you can help with videos. Oh no. There are a lot of really good truck builds up here. Okay. First up, we have. Hello, what's your name, sir?
Hello. My name is Hayden,
Hey, nice.
and all of these trucks are mine.
What's truck?
Do you want to see roll call?
Yeah.
Yo, you want to see some of them roll call?
Yes, whatever one falls to call the best for a chance to win. Rolling call.
I think it would be this one over here.
I'm Madsen. Videos one.
What you think about that?
I can't see anything. Let's do it again.
Daily. This game have the back. This game have the back. Wow.
There we go. Oh dang. Okay, so you got a lot. Okay. Now, this person. What's your name?
Hello,
Hello,
my name is Robert.
Robert. Nice. Okay. What do you think your cleanest truck?
Do you want to see one of my trucks roll coal and do a burnout?
Yep.
Okay. Watch those tires spin.
Okay, so we got a good amount of coal. And pretty good burnout. Okay, next person. Who is this?
It's me, Jay.
Nice.
These two trucks are mine. Both of them are on any level kits, and yeah.
Okay. What truck do you think will roll the most coal?
Probably the black one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all want to see mine?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? Oh, mine is what? I had to use that for a different video coming out soon. Okay, so go ahead and get rid of that. So I'm not gonna give the cleanest truck build and the most coal to the same person. So this guy right here.
Yo, me? Me?
Yeah,
Thank you, bro.
You got most coal, so you have 10 Robux coming your way.
And then
the
the cleanest truck build.
cleanest truck build, we'll probably give that to.
You haven't seen my truck. I don't know.
Where are you at?
I'm looking for y'all.
We're at the
Yo,
aquatics.
go to aquatics.
Oh.
Wait, never mind. Hayden, forget about your coal yet. We gotta see what he has.
Okay.
If you probably don't get coal, you'll probably get nicest truck builds. You get some nice truck builds. Y'all want me to dance?
I don't have no coal, so he wins the coal. I'm only looking for builds.
Okay, where are you at?
I'm in the black truck pulling in.
No, that's clean. Okay, how much coal do you have? None at all. Okay, so so most coal goes to Hayden. And cleanest truck build goes to the guy that just pulled up.
BAK, my name.
BIK.
Dude,
So,
what is this Fitbit? You can't even look. I'm just saying, bro. I am just saying, you cannot load this up on a trailer without falling off like 10 times. You cannot. Look at this Fitbit, though.
okay, so, who did I say won Hayden? 110, right?
Yeah.
No, I won 10. And I won 10.
Nah. I won the rolling coal.
I earned the cleanest truck build.
Wait. Yo, SX, look at my truck. Look at my truck, bro.
Okay, one
Look
second.
at my truck, bro.
Both of them. Gotta send it later. So, y'all
Yo, his truck rolls the most cool.
Yeah, nice. Y'all wanna all go out? Drive around the
Yeah,
map
we
and then
should go camping. We should go camping and mudding.
Yeah, camping and mudding would be really fun, actually.
in our show
Wait.
trucks.
It really would. Yeah, in our show trucks.
Okay, but I don't got a camper, but
What?
I'll go muddy.
Wait, let me just load my
Alright.
truck.
Who are we following?
Y'all follow
Me.
me. I'm the one in the red, or the black GMC with the red frame.
Yo, really quick. What jerk should I bring?
I'm already in my GMC.
Yo, SX, what truck should I bring?
I don't know. Okay, everyone,
Wait, we should all do GMC.
thanks for watching. Make sure you
I
sub
bet.
and like, and make sure you join the Discord. Peace.